The Walker B27i is a powerful addition to the popular Walker Model B mower line. This nimble, productive mower gets the job done quickly with minimal lost motion and can easily mow difficult landscaped areas with its compact size and front mount mower deck. This higher horsepower version of the Model B adds a Kohler 26.5 HP EFI engine and includes a redesigned unitized chassis and front body. The new clamshell body makes drivetrain component access easy, and the Ogura electronic blade clutch with soft start adds convenience and durability for the operator. An oversized Donaldson 5-inch engine air filter is fitted with a turbine-style pre-cleaner and air restriction gauge to reduce maintenance intervals while providing a robust filtration system. A new rear axle design improves rough condition handling, and when coupled with Walker's comfort seat and optional 20-inch drive tires, makes the B27i a comfortable machine that's powerful, efficient, and ready for larger decks, higher mowing heights, and difficult conditions. The B27i is light on the turf, which not only protects against rutting and other turf damage, but also improves machine handling and efficiency by reducing lost motion and maneuvering energy. With a low center of gravity and balanced design, the B27i is agile and demonstrates impressive hillside performance, allowing operators to mow more places with a single machine. Like all Walker mowers, the B27i benefits from the distinctive Walker true floating deck. It flexes side to side and articulates up and down while gliding smoothly over turf, resulting in less scalping and a more even cut. With its reduced weight, simplified drivetrain, compact size, precision steering and handling, agility, and impressive trimming ability, the B27i can be substantially more productive than its mid-mount or stand-on competition in landscaped mowing applications. With 12 compatible decks ranging from 36 to 74 inches wide, the B27i mower can be configured to suit most mowing applications. Whether side discharging or mulching, the B27i leaves a signature Walker cut in a single pass. The B27i is compatible with some of our most popular add-ons, including a 36-inch single-stage snowblower, a 48-inch dozer blade, dethatcher, and numerous factory and dealer-installed options, including a variety of tire upgrades, seat options, lighting, and deck attachments. Contact your local Walker dealer or visit walker.com to learn more and get a demo of the B27i on your lawn.